Hi, and welcome to this module on numerical and computational methods with Python. In this module, you will learn some of the algorithms that can be used in order to solve mathematical problems, how they work, and how to program them on the computer. In mathematics, we often have to solve equations, such as algebraic or differential equations. There are methods that allow us to solve some of such equations analytically, that is, in terms of functions and numbers we know. But often, there is just no analytical method. In these cases, the computer can come to our help. Instead of trying to find an analytic solution, we may just give it the equation to solve and ask it to produce a number or a function that solves it. In practice, in science or engineering, this is usually what we do, as real-life problems seldom have exact analytical solutions. This module will teach you how to do this, at least for some of the simplest and most useful methods around. What we will need to do is to devise algorithms on the computer that will give us the answers numerically. In fact, you could think of an analytical solution as just an algorithm that you could put on a computer in order to get an answer. And so looking for more general algorithms is just an extension of this principle. Once we have an algorithm, there are many questions that we could ask. How do we know that the algorithm really gives a solution? Or how near to the solution is it? And how much time does it take to get to there? But beyond the theoretical questions, perhaps the most important point is to be able to program these algorithms on the computer. For this purpose, this module will use the programming language Python. This is a very easy language and widely used in science and technology. You do not need to have programming experience, as I will cover all the basics. Implementing the algorithms on Python and experimenting with them will help you a lot to understand how they work. The module has many resources. The main point of access is the KEATS page. There you can find information about the module, about the lecture notes and other material, the reading list, the timetable, who you can contact with questions, the assessment methods, and a week-by-week information about the lecture. There is also the lecture notes, which I will be following very closely. The other important resources are the videos, which will be listed on the KEATS page. There will be 3 or 4 about 20 minutes video per week, and I'd like you to watch them before the live lecture. For Python programming, you should download the Jupyter IPython package on your computer or even on your phone. There is information on how to do this in the lecture notes and also on the web. Another useful resource is Code College. This is a portal aimed at teaching you the basic aspects of Python. I strongly encourage you to try it out. I hope you enjoyed the lecture and do not hesitate to ask us if you have any question.